In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you have high frames per second on your Windows 11 computer. So if you notice it's dropping very rapidly when playing various games, or you're just wanting to improve your frames per second, generally, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make a couple of quick adjustments, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. And now before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create the backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File, Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Keep export range at all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer or external drive. And if you had to import it back in, all you would do is select File and then Import and navigate to the file location. So again, pretty straightforward. And now we're ready to begin. Expand the HK current user folder, so double click on that. Do the same thing now for the system folder. And then finally, there should be a game configure store or game config store. Just go ahead and left click on that one time. You want to expand this column a bit, and there should be something that says game DVR enabled. Go ahead and double click on that. You want to delete whatever is in here and then type the number 0, so the numerical value 0. Go ahead and select OK. Again, this is for game DVR enabled. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead and collapse all these folders back. So you want to double click on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. And then now you want to expand Microsoft, double click on that. And now we're going to go down until we locate the policy manager folder. So go ahead and double click on that. And then there should be a default folder. Expand that one as well. And now you want to locate something near the top that says application management. So let me just make this a little bit wider here. And again, application management. You can start typing on one of these folders as well if you need to find it. So there you go. So application management. And you can see the file path up on the top of the screen here too. Each backslash is a different folder we've gone under up to this point. So anyway, at this point, I'm going to go ahead and double click on that application management folder. And you want to locate an allow game DVR folder. On the right side, there should be a value in here. Go ahead and double click on it. And now you want to delete whatever's in here. Type in number 0 and then select OK. And then once you're done with that, you should be able to close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.